Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are looking at what Excel is, as well as what does Microsoft Excel do, right? So Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that was developed by Microsoft. It helps us in organizing data, in analyzing data, as well as visualizing data, right? And it is there are key features of Microsoft Excel, which is your grid structure, your calculations, as well as data visualization, right? So on the grid structure, we have our rows as well as column, right? We have our my mouse is doing things. We have our rows. These are the rows. These are the rows, and then we have columns. We have column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, right? And we have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and these A, B, C, and whatever. And the columns and the rows gives us a cell. So for example, this one, if you look at that, this left corner here, this cell is C5 and this cell is B9, this cell is D4, and it has been made by columns and the rows, right? So that's the grid structure. In another feature that we have within Microsoft Excel, it's the calculations, right? It's the calculations, and this is one of the features that helps us to perform the mathematical operations. We are able to use formulas here, as well as we're able to use formulas as well as the functions that we can be able to develop within the Microsoft Excel. And then another key feature as well is data visualization. We have data visualization, which we can use to create charts, graphs, as well as tables, right? So if we can see there, these are the places where we come when we want to visualize our data. We can be able to have the charts columns. They are here. We can be able to have the chart columns. We can be able to have the bar graphs. We can be able to have the line graphs or line chart. We can be able to have your pie chart, just like those ones. We can be able to have your histogram. There is your histogram chart there. We can be able to have your waterfall, your tree map, and so on, right? And Microsoft Excel is commonly used for budgeting, financial modeling, data entry, reporting, business analysis, as well as data analysis. So it can be used for a lot of things, right? So that's what Microsoft Excel is, and that's what Microsoft Excel does. So there are more and more basic tutorials of how to use Microsoft Excel. And bye for now. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Goodbye.